companies also is to same, both are same company. I try to log in my account. Wait guys, wait guys, I again try to log in it. How are you? Wait guys, I trying. This company will be closed soon, and you can log in this one, and you will get also like role, and you will get free coin. This is also working. There are people are playing, and you people are register account. This is already working. Okay, and I will next video I will sign it, and I making for you new video for show you all video. And wait guys, I trying WUAXVWR. Yeah, I log in it, and now you can try this here, and here is you will get click on the free BTC and down it, and you will get there, and click on here. This is our world top and best company, this one, and very trusted company. You can click then now roll, and you got 0.00002 BTC, 2.23 BTC you got it, and also you got 2 free lottery ticket and 2 reward point, and now you can next roll start in 1 hour free BTC. Okay, now you want to dicing this game, so click on the multiply BTC game, and you can dice here. Okay, you can dice here, and now try to this. You can also do this one chance, you can 85, because you will not lose chance more on now start loss. Oh no, wait, I lose. So next time you can also do it deposit BTC here, and you will get, you can press put in this here any amount you will credit here, and you will get BTC, then you can roll your BTC here and free earning reward, and you can also check their reward. I got that reward, there are no showing. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel. I will tell you next time very good step for you and very interesting for you. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel and share comment. I will next video make for you very interesting full check confirming you please. Yeah, 1 BTC is 8,809. Okay, now we get. Okay guys, subscribe my channel and comment press. Okay guys, love you. We will make for you next video.